Lizette, what are you doing?
Digging a stupid hole.
For what?
So you can make a tunnel from that hole to this hole.
That hole?
That hole?
You see the big hole?
Mm-hmm.
I'm in the little hole.
Let's see.
You know that is already.
No, it didn't.
I think I call myself an official idiot.
Why?
I ran down to get my bandana and not knowing it was on my neck.
Smart one. I know.
Say hi, Mom.
Hi. Thought you were taking pictures. I was like, oh, wait.
So we are digging the hole for nothing.
For a stupid reason that we're going to be in it for like 2 seconds.
And then we're going to leave.
Yeah.
Pretty deep. Lizette, sexy legs. Sexy legs.
They jiggle.
You want to tap that?
So G's having a bad time because there are no girls around
I know.
to hit on.
I know. I'm mad.
No, there is. A little 5-year-old.
Where they at?
Down the hill.
Doesn't count though.
He's so sexy.
Doesn't count.
That'd be like molesting.
It's called breaking the law.
Nick!
No, it's not. Look,
Say!
near his little playground. With the little word. With
They're over 18.
with the little word
But he
called
is.
molesting.
He's like
No.
over like 90.
You know some of them are at least 20 something. He's like, well, freaking 85.
Shoot.
Nick's on the floor.
Why?
Down, Nick, say cheese! Nick, say cheese!
Okay, move to it.
Mozzarella!
Valerie!
No, it's fine.
Say hi!
She's recording. Say cheddar!
That's Michael, Jesse, Valerie, Nick,
Zoom in on Matias.
Mo,
Zoom in on Matias.
Diana, Vicky, Diana, Alicia, woo!
That's
Lizette, G,
Oh, this is funny.
Jasmine.
Hi, Jasmine.
You like Gracie down the hill?
Ew, why does that look like an egg? Okay, I'm good. Imagine having Easter here and all the confetti all over the... Oh, that'd be tight.
Go down so I can record it going down.
Dude, I keep stepping on wet spots.
Cool.
Michael, you want to go down with me? No, good.
Go,
Jesse,
Jesse,
do
go.
your pose.
Get over that little
Jesse, do your...
gymnastics.
Then you gotta go.
Oh.
Okay, how are you gonna film the white sand and listen to that kind of music? Let's just sit on the sand and...
Go, Jesse,
A
go.
real Mexican.
G's doing construction!
Oh my god.
Look at G. G, pretend like you're working.
They beat you.
Stop, worker.
Mexican.